Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We see that we have xy, xy, s and y in here. So this one we can use about substitution. So I will put about y equal to v over x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. For this one we can put into v multiplied by 1 over x. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have dy over dx. First the derivative of v, we have number 1 and we have dv over dx multiplied by 1 over x. And now we can simplify like this. First the derivative of this one, we have v multiplied by negative 1 over x squared. Now we need to change y into this one. Dy over dx we change by this one. Next, this one that is about v square. Now we multiply both sides by x. Next, about x squared, we multiply for this one. Next, I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by this one. So negative v I will put on the right, so we have positive v. Now we do common denominator. So this one we have v squared plus v. This one we have v plus v squared plus v to the power of 3. And now we need to simplify. This one we minus to this one in here, and we just have like this. So I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we need to integral to the both sides. So 1 divided by v to the power of 3, similar for the second one. And we have like this. And now we have the final answer. This one we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. about v, that is about this one. Now we need to change v into ys. Next, fn of ys we can put like this. And now we need to simplify for the both sides. This is the end. Thank you for watching.